Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share my last journal that I've made, and it's called Halloween. I made it with a Reader's Digest cover that I received as a gift in a nice Happy Mail from Jill. Thank you, Jill. And it measures 5¼ inches wide, 7½ inches high, with a new reinforced spine of 1¾ inches. On the spine, I did a bead dangle. There's a skull. There's some beads collection, and this is a Tim Holtz large token. And for the closure, this is also Tim Holtz. Did I say Tim Holtz or Tim Hortons? Oh, Lord Lifton. I'm not sure. Oh, Tim Holtz. So this is also Tim Holtz. I painted black. This wooden frame, I think I got that from Michael's. For the closure, it's just 2 clips with this chain, which is the same chain as this one here. And it easily just clips off. And this also can easily be taken off. It's just one of those little lobster clasps. I used digital print. You can tell it's been a while. I can't talk. Digital printables. TSUNAMI Rose. I have the journal kit, which is Brew. The Halloween postcards, the vintage shipping tags, and the clip art big elements. I also have from TaylorMade Journals the Halloween cards and ephemera, and from A Whimsical Adventure Halloween tickets, and some Tim Holtz Halloween items like this here that says Spells and Fortunes, same as the picture. I just did a little collage here. In this library pocket and library card I have in my Etsy shop. These are coffee stained. This is also in my Etsy shop. It's the magazine, the library magazine borrows card. And this is a tag that I made. This journal belongs to. With some stamping. There's stamping, stenciling, and some sewing. Here's the corner tuck with a tag that I made. A postcard and a journaling card. Here's some pom-pom trim. Here is some Tim Holtz washi tape. Some tracing paper from the collection. Here's one of those jeweler's envelopes that I like with just a little bit of a collage. And here I just sewed a line and stamped that big spider. And inside are these are the tickets by A Whimsical Adventure for a haunted house party. There's 6 of them, and I've numbered them 1 to 6 on my old typewriter. Graph paper, lined paper, some stenciling. Here's a corner pocket with a tag and some journaling cards. Here's an envelope with a journaling card. Here's a sheet music, which is dance. The middle of the first signature. There are 3 signatures for a total of 132 pages. The other side of the envelope with another journaling card. Here is a guest check. That is, I just stamped Happy Halloween. I put an eyelet with some sour silk. Here, this from a Tim Holtz collection. Get some lined paper. Here is it's an envelope flap. These are just journaling postcard, journaling card. Here's I did some fussy cutting, and the other side of the envelope, it says a spooktacular night. And inside here, there's a card and some journaling card that I put here to hide the brads from this ephemera piece. Get that in there later. The second signature, some lace, a couple of postcards, and here on tracing paper, this is the Tsunami Rose clip art big elements. And, there, this is just clipped there. It's an envelope, which is part of that journal kit, and inside is an ephemera piece for journaling. I printed on parchment paper. Here's a corner tuck with postcard, another tag that I made. This is ephemera for journaling. This is the vintage newsprint paper bag that I have in my Etsy shop. Inside here is a journaling card, postcard, and some ephemera. A large index card with a little tuck that says which is which. And here I did some collage on this tag. Here's some little tags with that collection for journaling. Here I did some fussy cutting of that big crow, and there's some washi tape from Tim Holtz. And inside is a library search card from my Etsy shop. And here is another, this is a Halloween music sheet. Here's a tag that I made with a piece of ephemera with an eyelet and a token from Tim Holtz that says October 31st. Some trim, some more washi tape, but it's not Tim Holtz. Here's a corner tuck with another piece of clip art big elements that I printed on tracing paper. Sorry, tracing paper. Here's a little file folder that I made with some Tim Holtz paper, and I stamped. And here's some just some little bits of ephemera that can be used for journaling. The third signature is a postcard, a tag that I made with a corner tuck, and this is Tim Holtz. Picture strips, some large black rickrack here. Here is a just a little folder. As much as I like these clips from Tim Holtz, they leave this black residue, and I don't mind it because it's grungy for Halloween. But other times, when I use these, they're not to be taken. I put them where you don't need to take them off. Here is a collage of some ephemera, and inside is the Tim Holtz die with the little bits of ephemera. These are in my Etsy shop. They're from the 1970s gift stars. These blank yellow tickets are also in my Etsy shop. These are from TSUNAMI Rose with the kit. Some ephemera. This is the coat check from my Etsy shop. And another journaling card with a little bit of stenciling. Another corner pocket with some vintage. These are the vintage shipping tags from TSUNAMI Rose. I made a little booklet, and Just some stamping, Happy Halloween. Some newspaper print paper. Guest check from my Etsy shop. And here is a glassine bag from my Etsy shop that I have in different sizes with a journaling card. Little here, and here is the back of that glassine bag with more journaling card and some extra journaling paper. Here is a brown bag from the Texas Roadhouse restaurant. I went to in the States, and they gave you some peanuts, so I asked for some extra bags because I really like them. And in here I have a journaling card, postcard. This is Ephemera. A ledger paper from the kit. The other side of that bag with more journaling card, more ephemera. You can open it for additional journaling. Lots of room to journal, which I like. Here is a Tim Holtz glassine bag. It's all about the loot, stamp 31. Inside there's a little journaling card. That's from the Tim Holtz paper. Here is an envelope. I did some fussy cutting of this item, and inside is the large index card that I cut down to fit for journaling. Here is another little envelope, excuse me, that I made with a piece of journaling card. Here I put an eyelet with the Tim Holtz token that says Wicked, and inside are some journaling cards. And here's the back of the third signature. And here I just clipped this large envelope. I cut it down for this journal, but I didn't cut it down enough. This is from a napkin that I Mod Podge, and I sewed it shut on 3 sides because I like the inside of the envelope looks like graphite. And inside I put a large index card with the cutout of Halloween. So this is the Halloween journal. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.